Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Garmin activity not uploaded to Strava. Are you having trouble uploading your Garmin activity to Strava? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Open the Strava app, go to the Use section and click on Settings. Scroll down till you find the Logout option. A simple logout and login will most of the time fix this issue. 2. Record a new GPS activity on your Garmin device and ensure it has uploaded to Garmin Connect website. This also helps you reconnect Strava and sync all other activities. If your activity still does not appear on your Strava after 24 hours, you can export the original activity file from the Garmin device and upload it directly to Strava. To do this, go to your activity in your Garmin device and click the gear icon to export the original file. After you uncompress the zip file, go to the Strava website and upload the file directly to Strava. If you still encounter difficulties uploading the activity between Garmin and Strava, you can disconnect the connection and reconnect it again. To do that, scroll up till you find Manage Apps and Devices. Click on it. If you have already connected your Garmin account, it should be available here. Click on it and revoke access. After a few minutes, reconnect it again. Even after doing this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava customer support. Strava has also acknowledged a recent issue with syncing delays from Garmin, and they are working on it to resolve it. Your missing activities should sync automatically as they backfill their queues.